You're going to love the 2013 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.